Hello friends, my name is Mnyaradzi Angero Savano, the author. Some of you have known me for a long time, while some of you are getting to know about this author for the first time. You know friends, it took courage, bravery, dedication, and an inquisitive heart and mind to study and research about Job Sarowiwa Sikala. Yes, I've authored this book, Footprints in the Chains, the life story of Job Sikala, a book that is going to be launched on the 27th of June at Sapes Trust, number 4 Driri Avenue, Belgravia, Harare, Pan-Africa. Yes, you expect laughter in this book, expect sadness, joy, tears, anxiety, hope, faith. Everything is in this book, the life story of Job Sikala, Footprints in the Chains. So please pre-book your copy, and I can tell you that this book is out of the printing press. And as I'm sitting here, most of you will remember a scenario that happened during the COVID-19 pandemic, that lockdown. You still remember that lockdown when Job was found in the bush? So I'm here in the bush, reminiscent of that particular activity when Job was hiding, running away from the brutality and the injustice of a certain regime. Find it in the book, Footprints in the Chains. Thank you so much. Angero, out.